Today I would like to show you a new site to earn $7,500 free PayPal money every month. This is the easy make money online methods that I'm about to show you in this video. Just stay with me till the end and do according to as I say you to do. You will be definitely going to make good amount of money every month. So without wasting any more time, just jump back into the site that I have to show in this site. The site is called studypool.com. Yes, this is the site. This is the site that we are going to earn money online. So Studypool is a really popular site. You can just go over there. This is a site that peoples all over the world who know some skills share their skills as a tutor, and peoples all over the world who want to learn new things, new skills can go to these websites and apply and as a student and learn something new as well. So this is a really good way, and in that process they get some money from students and share it to their teachers. So that's why this is a really good site and this is a really good cause to earn money online. So if you just go over to this website, or if I just take it to a similar web, and if I just search it for Studypool there, you can see that they have almost 2 million visitors every month. They are getting 2 million traffics every month. So this is a really good sites to work with. You do not need to investor or something else, or you do not need to do any hard work. I'm just going to show you the easy way that you can start in this website and start making money online. So without further ado, just go over to these websites. There is an options in the above menu sections. Here you can see there is a become a tutor button. So if you just click on that, it will show the tutor sections, online tutor job sections, that they are saying earn money answering homework questions. So this is really good. Earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. So this is the case. This is the word that they are saying, that there you can make around $7,500 easily as a tutor in this website. So if you know, you definitely know some skills. If you just passed skills and colleges, and you have any degrees, or you have any special course you get from your local institutions, and you can definitely teach that to students in studypool.com. So why not do that? This is easy money. You don't need to have any cost. There is absolutely free way to learn and earn using your skills. So why not? So apply it. Just click on the apply button and simple registration forms. It will ask you some questions, and then they will accept you as a tutor, and you can earn a decent amount of money. So this is the one part. But if you do not have any skills, there is a way to earn money. I'm going to show you how, but before that I'm going to show you the another way that you can use Studypool to earn money online. Is that you just don't need any skills. You have gone to schools, college, and you get a degree on as a bachelor or masters or anything you like. You have class notes, right? You go to your any classes, you have class notes. You can sell that. No matter how old that note is, you can sell that on Studypool. So if you just go over to Studypool, there is a sell docs sections. If you just click on that, this will show that earn money by selling study documents and earn up to $5,000 a month. And they are saying that we share your docs with tens of millions of students, and you get up to $10 every time a student view a single note. So why not try it? You have notes, definitely. You do some skills, you do some training, you do some classes, you have some class notes, you have some assignments, you have some projects works you have that is made, that may 5 years old or 10 years old, doesn't matter. You just go to sell doc sections and sign up and just upload that document to studypool.com, and every time a students just view that note, you will get up to $10 per assignment, per project, per documents that they view. So this is another good opportunity to earn in this website. So there is two opportunity. One is you need some skills to study and share your skills to students or tutor, or if you just don't want to teach, then you definitely have some class notes of your degrees, of your courses, and you can share that docs and you can sell that docs into Studypool. This is a really killing way to make money online. So how about you do not have any skills? How can you teach something if you do not have a skill? So definitely you can learn skills and make some videos, and you can share it on teaching platform like Studypool. I'm going to show you the site that you already know, which is called udemy.com. Yes, definitely udemy.com. This is a really popular site that has lots of courses out there for you to learn new thing. You do not have to invest any money. So how about that? You just go over to these websites, and if you just search it like categories, they have lots of categories. And if I just simply go over to any certification, I just choose network security and cyber security. So this is the cyber security courses. So this is a really hot topic nowadays. So if you just go over to these sections, and you can see that all the courses are selling there for like $13, $14. We do not need to invest any money. I just show you. Just go over to filter sections and scroll down and hit the price sections, and if you just select free, you can see that they have already 63 free courses about cyber security. So why not try that? You just simply go over to these courses and follow through, and you learn this skill and just simply teach these skills on Studypool. That's simple. You learn something from Udemy for free and just teach it as a teacher on Studypool, and you earn money. People love to learn that skills from you. This is a really good earning opportunity. Another site you may know or not, this is skillshare.com. This is also a good site to sell your course. So if you just go over to skillshare.com and just go down below and click on become a teacher here, it will show something like this, and they are saying that their top earning teachers are making like $100,000 every year. So why not take that? You just simply learn something from Udemy, and you can teach them on Studypool. Also, you can just simply screen record. There are lots of free software out there right now. Just simply screen record your computer screen, and teach something and record that as a video and upload. You can upload it into skillshare.com and build a course like that, and definitely people are love to buy that course. Definitely students all over the world, there are hot topics on Udemy that you can just remake and learn new things, and then just simply teach them to other students who don't know that skills, and you can definitely earn money from Studypool and earn money from Skillshare as well. So this is a really killing idea that you can just right now do and start earning money online right now. So if you are liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos and stay with my channel. Every day new video getting uploaded every day, so new methods every day. So stay tuned with my channels. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.